Jason, how long will it take to finish the product?
It will take 3 days.
Okay, nice. Please pay attention to the quality of this product because we are going to exhibit this product in Canton exhibition and we are going to expand our activity in Chinese market.
Oleg from Russia is the head of a Russian-funded climatic manufacturer. Although there's still over a month before the Canton Fair, Oleg and his team are stepping up for the preparation. Because this year, Canton Fair will resume physical exhibits after 3 years of the pandemic, and it's also his first time to lead his team to attend since he took over the factory.
Did you fly back from Russia immediately after the optimized COVID response?
Yes, it was quite difficult to manage the factory online. So we are very excited by this opportunity because after 3 years of a pandemic, this fair with this Canton exhibition will open a great opportunity for every manufacturer to expand the activity in Chinese market, to meet new clients and to promote your product in new market as well as in the old market.
The company that Oleg works for mainly produces appliances like electric heater, humidifier, etc. It is one of the 3 factories of Blue Industrial Group, known as the world's leading producer of climate and engineering equipment.
We used to focus on those markets, Russian and European market, and it was well used. But after pandemic started, we were short of containers. We could not ship the products we produced. So we used to produce 700,000 pieces. But due to pandemic, we got some gradual decline. And last year, 2022, we got around 500,000 pieces produced. But after release of pandemic, business activity comes to normal. We will have more talented people from Russia and from other countries to come to improve our team.
So what kind of product do you think it may have big market in China?
I think heating equipment as well as water heaters because recently we
Oleg is 49 this year. He used to manage factories located in Spain and Russia. As a well-experienced manager in manufacture, he plans to seize opportunities and expand Chinese market this year.
Judging by number of people living here,
14.
yes, market is huge and it's necessary to develop this opportunity as soon as possible. You know, Chinese people are different. The trend is to have very reliable and very smart products. So there are 2 existing clients and we expect more after a participation in Canton exhibition. Since our company was set up in Foshan for already 10 years, we got a lot of support from a local government and we have a great deal of confidence in future. We have 2 targets for this year. One is to expand sales as much as possible. Second, to continue to improve our quality. We are very confident that we will expand our business activity and expand our share in Chinese market.